Python went from obscure scripting language to global phenomenon in just 30 years. Stick around to learn the fascinating origin story you never knew. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I want to provide an inside look into how Python transformed itself from a little-known niche language to one of the most popular and widely used programming languages in the world. Back in 1991, Python was first conceived by developer Guido van Rossum as a general-purpose scripting language with clean, readable syntax. He likely had no idea then that his creation would go on to take the coding world by storm. So what explains Python's meteoric rise to fame over a relatively short period? Well, a few key factors came together to boost its adoption. First, Python prioritizes simplicity, readability, and productivity. The easy-to-learn syntax enables faster development compared to denser languages like C++ and Java. Clean code matters. Second, Python has a super robust standard library and package ecosystem. The Python package index now contains over 200,000 add-on libraries and modules that expand its capabilities. Third, Python has a large, engaged open-source community that provides learning resources, documentation, and support. This helps onboard new developers. And finally, Python can be used across virtually any operating system and platform. This cross-platform compatibility makes it highly versatile. Thanks to these strengths, Python now powers many of the most popular apps and services we use every day, from Instagram and Dropbox to Google and YouTube. It has become the #1 language on GitHub and an essential tool for fields like data science, machine learning, and AI. Guido van Rossum, my little scripting language, sure has come a long way. If you want to learn more Python facts and dive deeper into its capabilities, check out my companion article through the link in the description below. I provide a comprehensive overview of Python's benefits, history, and rise to fame. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. I'm happy to create more programming language explainers if there is interest. Don't forget to like and subscribe.